This is really a privilege for me to be able to share the history of Trail Breaker Kennel and how we've worked with it for many years. It started actually in 1976. My wife, Tekla's mom, Susan Butcher, and then I worked together to create dog teams to run in the Iditarod and the Yukon Quest, but also to enjoy the lifestyle of having dogs as part of our everyday enjoyment. We were lucky enough by 1978 for Susan to run in her first Iditarod, and then I ran my first one in 1980. We were a collaborative team. The goal was to win with the happiest, healthiest dogs that we could. I think that was our contribution to the sport of sled dog racing.
About 5 years ago, I moved back to Alaska. I took over the race operations, I took over the education operations, and it's such a pleasure to continue my parents' legacy, invite guests into our lifestyle, and of course support younger female mushers as they pursue their dreams in racing. As I was growing up, obviously, our kennel was in the public eye. We were helping provide education on sled dogs for a long time, but John Hall Sr. Approached my dad and said, hey, would you guys be open to kind of providing a backstage pass tour? And my dad said, sure, why not? So he invited John Hall's crew over. We had him meet the dogs, walk around the kennel, kind of learn about the lifestyle, and that relationship has just blossomed and grown, and I love the John Hall's guests that get to come here and really become a part of our family year after year after year. And so when people come to visit Trail Breaker, that's actually a really key part, is we actually have them help us socialize the puppies. So people will pick up the puppies, they'll cuddle them close to them, and kind of get all their smells on them, because getting training and socialization with lots of different humans is really key.
And we learned that people are great because we've had the privilege of meeting his guests for all these years, and the puppies have grown to be tremendous racers and also tremendous in their love for people. So it's been a good relationship for all of us over all these years. That's what makes the John Hall visit so much fun. It's just personal.